How you doing? Welcome back to Vibe Design. I'm Royi Benyossef. Last week, when we did a comparison between Base 22 and Bolt, I noticed something that I didn't notice before. Just like Anima, the company that I reviewed before, there's a button here to import from Figma. So I thought I'm going to try it out and see how it compares. You click on it, and then it says paste a URL. We'll take the same URL that we did before, copy it, import. You may have noticed that while it was building, it says that it was powered by Anima on the screen. So there's a partnership between Bolt.new and Anima on the design, translation, machine learning, or AI. But let's see how it fares with other chains. So as you can see, it looks very, very similar. But now let's see if the Claude integration is as we saw in Anima. So I am actually putting in a copy paste of all the instructions that I gave Anima over 5 episodes, and it might not be as fair, but let's see how it goes. Please notice that I gave it a lot of changes. Change the logo, change text, change the tabs. So there's a lot of work. It was fairly quick. Let's upload the file. Let's see, let's click on team. It doesn't have the actions that I asked. Try again. Now it appears that, oh, see, it did change the team as I asked for it, but your profile image, but it didn't put the image in. I might have asked it for too much. Let me try and just add the actions again. And it appears that it is struggling with adding the actions. Let's try something different. It's supposed to work. Clicking on value, scroll to where it says features, but it doesn't. So I might have broken something, but it did work when I did it with Anima. As you can see, there are subtle changes to what it can and cannot accept, even though they're all using the same tools. I mean, Bolt.new is using Anima. Both of them are using Claude Sonnet, so it should work. But for some reason, it's not working right now. But it is, as you can see on Bolt.new, you can import just like Anima, which is nice. There you have it, a short and sweet comparison between Bolt.new, one of the giants in this industry, and what we've seen before. And we see that there are a lot of tools and they look similar, but they don't always act the same. Now, I will take some blame. It is possible that the fact that I put in all the instructions at once made it go crazy, but I did put the same instructions as I did before, which worked. So I don't really know what happened. I'll look around and see if I can find my mistake. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed it.